Hi there! Meet James, a middle-aged businessman and also a father of two. He is the CEO of a construction company. He has outstanding experience in the construction industry, and he has successfully handled a lot of projects, both from the government and private individual. His company has constructed a lot of roads, pipe-borne water, houses for sale, and beyond. He has a few branches across the city and has received several awards for his professional work. But despite all his experience in the industry, achievements, and professional constructions in all manners, he has a recurring problem with most of his finished structures, which is now standing as a barrier to his career and his company at large. So, what is the problem? On Monday morning, James is in his office while his secretary walks in. "Hello, sir. There are some complaints from about 5 of the structures we built 2 years ago," she said. "Complaints again? Okay, so what is it this time?" he replied. "According to the report, sir, some of these structures had issues like water pipe breaking and some other pipes, paint peeling off its surface, heat radiator is rotting, and so on." Then James said angrily, "What else have I not done? I make sure quality building materials are being supplied for construction. I deal with the best building materials producers. I pay exorbitant amount of money to get the best installation and application, and despite all of these, I still suffer a lot of unpleasant consequences." "Please take your leave," he commanded the secretary angrily. It's around 8 p.m. James is done with his work for the day, and now he is driving into his compound after having a very busy and frustrating day. He was alighting from his car when his phone rang. Oh, it's one of his old clients, the CEO of a multinational company. James picked up the call reluctantly. "I hope there won't be any complaints this time," he said to himself. "Hello, Mr. James," the client greeted. "Good evening, Mr. Ben," he replied. "I'm calling you for a very simple reason. It's about our last project that was given to your company. I must confess I am extremely disappointed. Despite the trust and the huge amount of money we spent, you still end up giving us a very poor output. Our water pipes are breaking, paints are pulling off its surface, our gas pipes and heat radiator rotten and leaking. I thought you should use building materials that are of high quality. Anyway, all I need you to do now is to send some of your guys here for some reparation and reinstallation with no pay. Bye," Mr. Ben exclaimed. James wasn't able to alter a word when Mr. Ben angrily ended the call. He became very sad and so worried. He tried all available solutions and wasted a lot of money, but all to no avail. He kept on looking for a way out until he came across a perfect solution. It's called Universal Additive, an on-demand, scientifically invented and proven additive, basically for industrial and home use. Universal Additive was invented by a great scientist who has spent all his years in finding solutions to scientific problems. Universal Additive has come to end corrosion at homes and in our industry. We know we can't make the producers increase their quality, but we can still affect its longevity. James tried Universal Additive and his entire story changed. No more paint peeling off, no more water pipe breaks. Corrosion becomes a history in his profession. No more unnecessary complaints from his customers. Now he is happy and more proud of his hard work. Are you also having problems with corrosion? Would you like to change your story like that of James? If yes, then Universal Additive is the perfect solution for you. With the Universal Additive, corrosion is over in your home, industry, and any other place its application is needed. So what are you waiting for? It's high time you come experience and explore with a Universal Additive.